Welcome back to the channel, guys. One Key Car Garage. Today this is a quick review of the Insta360 Ace Pro. We're about to unleash the Chuck Norris of cameras, guys. This bad boy don't just capture memories, it captures the ghosts of embarrassing dance moves and questionable life choices. It's so advanced that even your grandma will drop her knitting and scream, "What kind of sorcery is this?" So grab your popcorn, cancel your therapy appointment, let's dive into the world of 360 awesomeness, where the selfie stick is invisible and the only thing shakier than my dance moves is the competition's footage. This video is totally unsponsored. I paid for this camera with my own money. So guys, most of the videos on this channel have been shot with the Samsung Galaxy S10. In addition to that, I've captured tons of B footage using the Osmo Action, the original Osmo Action, featuring the front and rear cameras. Also the ability to shoot in 4K mode, and it's done an awesome job, especially in daylight. Fast forward to this year, 2023, in comes the Insta360 Ace Pro. And guys, forget the GoPro, and might I say even the Osmo Action 4, which is a close second to this. This is featuring the Leica lens. It also features the best low light performance, gesture and voice control, pause recording, zoom in features, and that's optical zoom, no overheating issues, and a longer battery life. In addition to that, you can capture footage in 360-degree, 8K resolution, guys. Flow state stabilization, invisible selfie stick, AI editing capabilities, waterproof design with a flip screen, crystal view playback, fast Wi-Fi transfer capabilities, user-friendly app, and various shooting modes to include time shift, bullet time, and a pure video mode for your nighttime / low light shooting scenarios. All right, so let's get into it. So the camera originally came with this mount, and as you can see, it's a magnetic catch mount system there. Zoom in. It snaps into there like that. And to release it, you would press the sides, both sides there, and release the camera from the mount. So what you want to do first is go ahead and get this adapter here. It comes with this screw on top, all right, that can be removed. And this features a secondary locking system. So once you clip it into the camera, you can slide the catch right there, and you'll be rest assured that your camera is not going to be going anywhere once this is secured to it. So this is the name of the mount. It's called the Quick Release Mount, Insta360. Purchased off eBay. I think it's about 30 something bucks, but it's worth it. So the mount itself comes with two pop-out feet. That gives you the standard mounting options. And to get this piece off here, you're just going to squeeze, release, like that. And to mount it to the camera, make sure the slide is pointing to the front. It snaps right in. And to secure it even further, you clip that slide like so. If we can focus. So once you've secured the mounting bracket there, you just extend the feet and attach it to your stick. And as you can see, this stick is from PGY Tech. It comes with a quick snap in and twist feature. as opposed to the original screw-in mounting feature here from that handle that most of these action cameras have. All right, so it's just another faster way of attaching and removing a camera from your various mounting options. So to mount it, next up you want to purchase lens covers that goes over these two, well, the original lens, that screen right there, and the rear screen. And pick this up on eBay. No, sorry, pick this up on Amazon. You're gonna get a pack, which one goes there, one goes here, and one for the back. And it comes with extras, so that's why I have these. And that should protect your lens from any scratches. Next important thing you want to get, guys, is a storage bag. Also from Amazon. Feature cut out for the lens when it's being stowed. Maximum protection. The next thing you want to get, guys, or consider, is going to be a chest mount. So this camera came with this original mount. Right here. And I went ahead and picked up this neck / chest mount and just transferred the original to this here. But there's no reason why you can't use this to make it more secure. So just gonna do that. Make sure it's snapped in. And with this mount, you gotta make sure it's in there solid. All right. You hear that click? You need to hear that second click, guys. And this neck / chest mount is from Tellison. Also an Amazon pickup. I believe it's about 20 bucks or so. Gives you that hands-free option. That's it, guys, and those are the essentials that I believe that you're gonna need for this camera. Again, just to recap, you want to get your cover lens for the camera, all right? But not before you get the quick release magnetic mount. You're also gonna want to get your storage bag. And with this, with the short stick, you can actually, you know, stick it in your pocket. without having to worry about the lens or the screen getting scratched up. And to top it all off, your U-shaped neck holder mount from Tellison. All right, guys, and with that, I believe you should be good to go with your Insta360 Ace Pro. And the reason for the protective lens as well is that this is the one downside to this camera, is that the lens is not changeable, so you can't take it off. But Insta360 offers a 1-year warranty on the lens if it's scratched or damaged, so that should give you an extra layer of comfort there. And I believe on the next iteration of this, I believe that's something they should probably look into, and that would make this camera completely 100%. But from what I've heard, the reasoning was that the removable lens is not as watertight as a fixed lens, so that is why they chose to do that design. But all in all, very good camera, and unless GoPro steps up their game on the GoPro 13 at this point, I believe they're going to be pretty much dead in the water with this guy. And the Osmo Action also has a similar or the same type lens, which is a Leica lens. The advantage of this guy here is that AI is doing a lot of the extra processing behind the scenes. All right, so that is it, guys. That's my view from a first user perspective.